house, apartment for rent, pinapaupahang bahay. Hello everyone, welcome back. For this video, eto naman ang isi-share kong details and information para sa mga naghahanap ng house and apartment for rent bago malilipat ang pinapaupahang bahay. And please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Subscribe and follow na rin kayo para lagi kayong updated sa tuwing may i-upload tayong bagong video about sa mga house and apartment for rent. Yes ma'am, yes sir. So sana tapusin niyo itong video para wala kayong ma-miss na mga detalye. And yes, eto po yung open and vacant, ready for occupancy, very affordable na pinapaupahang bahay, house apartment for rent with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom located in Bacoor City, Cavite. It's inside subdivision, good community and flood-free location. Malapit sa highway, may malapit na school at market. May sariling metro ng kuryente at tubig. Yes kids, yes pets allowed, and yes parking. Yes guys, ito yung house apartment for rent, 7,500 pesos monthly with 2 bedrooms located in Bacoor City, Cavite. And yes guys, kung gusto nyo bisitahin para makita nyo ng personal, pwede naman po anytime. So eto yung vacant na house apartment for rent, 7,500 pesos monthly with 2 bedrooms located in Bacoor City, Cavite. Vacant na po yan at pwede nang malipatan kaagad, open anytime for viewing. And yes guys, para sa iba pang mga detalye at para sa iba pang mga units, mga iba pang house and apartment, i-upload ko na lang po ang iba pang mga video. Yes guys, marami pa tayong mga vacant na house and apartment, magkakaiba ng itsura, magkakaiba ng presyo, magkakaiba rin ng location. Pero sa ngayon, eto na lang muna ang isi-share ko, etong 7,500 pesos monthly sa Bacoor City, Cavite. Ito yung apartment na nasa second floor, apartment private compound. Yan, meron siyang parking. Maganda yung bahay kasi naka-tiles na rin at very accessible sa highway. So yun guys, at maraming salamat ulit sa pagbisita at sa panonood dito sa ating YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Malaking tulong na yan para mag-grow ang ating YouTube channel. Okay, yes ma'am, yes sir. Ulit, ito po yung vacant na house apartment for rent, 7,500 pesos monthly, located in Bacoor City, Cavite. Ito po yung video, ito po kulay orange na apartment.